No.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's
Hi.
me, Little Kate. Oh, hi!
This is me, her sister, and
Yay!
Raw Hi. I'm prettier.
Woo-hoo!
Just kidding.
Wait, you just
Wait.
said I'm prettier. Thank you!
Wait, in the comments, say who's prettier, Lulu or Crystal.
Well, for
Please
me.
say me. I'm actually pretty.
Say her, because she's getting bullied a lot by these two people
Yes.
who we don't know.
These two people, Jordan and, well,
Yeah.
actually just Jordan. Him. I don't know where he is now.
He left, I think he left.
Yeah, that's great.
No, he went to that music room.
Oi.
He's right there. LOL. Your face is LOL, so don't talk to my
Face
sister.
is low. Well, I don't know. Hi! Oh my lord. Bye.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go to the dorms. Let's get a dorm.
I wish they had prettier dorms, like
Yeah.
prettier beds.
Oh, can I show you something?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, come on.
We're running now, guys. We're pressing shift
Yeah, shift is run.
on a
Don't
computer.
judge on our videos. This is our third video. Just so
From
you know, it's a collab. But I don't have a channel. Yet. Gotta listen to that word yet. I just said yet. I don't know. Don't judge me. Wait. No, it's not over here. Sorry.
Oh, are you freaking kidding me?
Okay, this way.
I fell off the stairs. There's nothing over there.
Yes, there is. Over there, but I'm here. Oh.
See, told you.
No, this was the dorm. Don't get mad at me.
I said there's nothing over there, and then you're like, yeah, I know.
Don't get mad at me, judgy.
I'm sorry.
pants.
It's nice.
English. I'm going to English. Just so you know, I'm better at English than her.
Yeah, I like getting someone to answer it.
And then I just get everything wrong. Oh, that'd be so funny. I'm getting this storm.
What storm? Oh, I thought you said storm. I'm like,
Storm? Why would I be getting... I just heard lightning.
Lightning and a thunder.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't. Where are you, lady? Are you... I'm going to English. Go to English.
Oh, for Pete's sakes, like I care.
You should.
Oh, I don't care.
Open the doors for me, peoples.
You're not the queen
Are you sure about that?
of England.
I never said of England.
You're not the fairy of...
I never said I was.
I'm the princess of
Actually, you're the
Wonders.
queen.
I'm gonna click whatever one, you guys.
I clicked A. It's right. A is right, people.
That's what I was gonna click. How many people are in here?
Probably like 3.
Oh my gosh. Amateur.
Oh.
What did you click? You clicked.
I clicked C, but we got it wrong.
I thought amateur.
I thought amateur ended with an E.
Yeah.
Okay. No, 0 out of 4 people got it right.
Beautiful.
It's A. It's A. People.
I know. Because beautiful, that's how you spell. Instead of a U, it spells
Beautiful.
I should have pressed that. I knew a lot. Oh shoot. That's how you spell it correctly.
No.
Argue. No! What did you click?
I clicked C.
Well, I clicked A.
But it was D.
I think we're gonna get a B.
I'm probably gonna get more than you.
We suck.
I know you do. We got A.
We got A.
All of us got an A.
except for one, the other girl.
No,
I
she
think,
got an A.
yeah.
Move, lady.
Don't call her that. You're being so rude.
I'm literally stuck.
They could report you. You know that, right?
Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god. Move.
She can't get out of the door.
No, I can. I'm sorry, people. Master.
Quizzer Master doesn't wear those pigtails no more.
I know. She trying to be Inquisitor Master. Because she said, Alex, Inquisitor Master. You are not Inquisitor Master. Everybody knows she barely goes to this school. Swimming class. I'm going. I love swimming.
No, but I'm a water celery. Celery.
Too
I
bad.
said celery.
Too bad. Too bad.
Why
honey
did she
bun.
say help?
Too bad, sugar plum honey bun.
You are not Inquisitor Master. Everyone's trying to look like Inquisitor.
I know. It's annoying.
When is it gonna start? No, I died.
I did it.
Whew. What the heck? How are people doing that? Sitting on that thing. You could get copyright for that, young lady.
Oh, they're just cheating.
How?
Like, they're clicking moves and stuff. Don't cheat. Don't cheat, people. Cheating is bad.
Yeah, if you cheat, you're out.
She should be out of this competition. I got an A.
I got an B. I
got
fell
an A.
down like 2 times.
I didn't fall down any. Haha.
I fell down only 2.
I didn't fall. Lunch. I don't like
I
lunch.
love lunch.
I hate lunch.
I'm going to lunch.
I hate lunch.
She actually loves lunch, you guys.
No, actually, I don't eat lunch in, like, the game, but I obviously eat it in real life.
Oh, Flutterwish isn't here. She's too busy watching a video.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some drinks. Cherry Coke. No, my diamonds are wasting away. I have 1,070.
Wait, I have more diamonds than you.
Yeah, shush.
Oh, yeah, y'all can't see my point of view.
She has
1,231.
Yeah. Oh, can I get my soda back? I need it.
You gotta wait, lady.
Die.
You won't die. I'm gonna sit down right here. Even though I'm not eating.
I'm gonna sit down right here. You want some cherry Coke?
No, that's cherry soda, not cherry Coke, lady.
I call it cherry Coke. It's my words coming out of my mouth.
'Cause I have a friend named Crystal. She used to have a friend named Crystal?
Who?
That's me. That's me, lady. Read in the chat. My name's Crystal. But y'all can only see all but I think. I don't know. Don't judge me if I don't know. She said, 'cause I used to have a friend named Crystal. My name's Crystal.
Go talk to them.
I don't know where they are.
Right there.
They are?
Yeah, I
They
saw
are,
one of them
honey?
talking.
Hey. I'm just gonna say hi.
Oh, hi. Well, she doesn't want to talk to me. Oh, hi. Why are people afraid of me? Like, literally, it says YouTube.
Oh, sorry.
She's a legit one. What the heck? Candy cane. I'm a candy cane. You're just gonna walk around saying candy cane.
Candy cane for some reason.
Bro. Just like, wow.
Bro, move.
I'm gonna say hi to her. Hi. Hi.
This dude's trying to be a girl, people.
Where?
That dude. Him. Him.
What the
Can't see him.
heck?
He's trying to be a girl.
I don't want to go to chemistry. I'm gonna wait on you because chemistry is like literally right there. That green door.
Oh my god. This is why I hate this. Because I have too many outfits. Whenever I say one word, it changes my outfit.
They said yeah.
Oy. This is why I don't like people. Except for my sisters.
Come on, I want to meet
No,
friends
I
again.
want to talk to them people. These people.
Well, you're taking forever, so come on.
I'm
Chop.
sorry.
Okay, fine. Hey, you
What about you, Princess Candy Cane? Do you want to be friends?
I think
Or
she
are you just
does.
gonna sit there?
She does. Stop being so rude.
I'm just asking you.
That's how dark really.
Sorry if I'm acting nervous. I never saw any kind of fairy up close before. Okay.
Wow.
There's a fairy right there. Lulu cake.
Oh my gosh.
Someone's a noob. I feel sorry for her.
Oh, I feel sorry for her too.
So do you want to be friends? I'm gonna say hi.
Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh, this is my first time talking to me. Girl. Hi. Oh my gosh. She's super nice. I just want to give her Robux. So bad. Oh, people are getting close to me, but they don't want to talk to me because I'm a YouTuber. That is just wow.
I'm gonna say, by the way, I heard your friend's name was Crystal. What about me, lady? What about me? My name's Crystal.
Oh my gosh, are
I
you
wanna say
really
that.
interested in that?
I want to know if it's actually me. I want to see what her name is. Star Galaxy? Have I had a friend named Star Galaxy?
You have.
I have? Yeah, I have. I don't think I have ever had a friend. Hi.
I'm going up the
I just
elevator.
went through. Oh, Michelle, I want to show you something really cool. Come here.
What? I
Come
just
to the
went
dorms. Come
up.
to the dorms. Come to the dorms. It's
Why?
really cool. It's really cool. I mean, really cool. I can get into someone's dorm, even though it's not my dorm.
Really?
Yes. I
Okay,
promise.
I'm gonna use the zip line.
Let's go into the dorm. Let's go into a dorm with already 2 people in it. I'll show you. It's actually really cool.
I'm coming. Oh, I beat you.
Let's. No, not that one. No. Yes, people. No, not ours. No, there's none.
Let me see.
Wait. Let's just go to this one. Okay, come here.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I'm gonna get my key out. Look. If you just keep on tapping it, it'll actually let you in. It's really cool. I don't know how. I don't know why. But I want to do it. I want to get into some random person's dorm.
Someone's in there, you know that, right?
I'm gonna try to without anybody knowing. Let me in.
Why, you suck at that?
I didn't. Let me try another dorm. Even though it's probably not possible.
She does. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna end it right here because it's about to go off. Bye, guys. We miss you.